Waiting for the lightning. Lightning's pretty intense tonight. I didn't go all the way downtown because I don't have the gas for it. Hear the thunder? Thank you. Listen to that. Wow. I need to get downtown and go to that other one while I got a window with lightning. This is the school where the shots went out. It's just that other. No. It's 30 minutes away and I just don't have. It was just close to the other cemetery. On May Hall asked to get down to, look, this is the principal's office. That looked like a skeleton for a second. Always a pleasure to see you too. I need to go back down to that other PvP. My favorite place was the funeral home with the caskets. You want to see something scary? Look, it's me. Yeah, this is not as good as that other school I was in the other night. It was 3 stories. If it starts really lightning good, I'm gonna haul ass down there. Where love is shown daily. Yeah. I like that place because you see that auditorium in there? Where the Grim Reaper was? I'm all by myself. Anything want to speak to me? I just left the cemetery. Cemeteries is not where the dead died. Cemeteries is where you visit their remains. Yeah, I know. That's why I want to go down to the other school. Electrical activity is supposed to bring paranormal activity. No smoking here tonight. I'm just too tired to drive all the way down there. I hope there's bad storms coming, because that means I have a window to sneak into that other school. See if we can scare ourselves. What? Sit in the chair? Okay, I'll do that. What I got to lose? Yeah, that was the night before. Just sit in the dark. Somebody said something. If I don't sound natural, well then you can just leave. I don't have time for people insulting me. I don't sound natural, but yet I'm the only person in the world who would probably come into a place like this by himself. No, because SLS cameras don't work at night. It's a Microsoft Kinect, okay? If you use an SLS camera during the day, notice they don't work because it can actually identify a chair, a border. The reason SLS camera works at night is because it tries to make shapes out of, because it's an Xbox toy, so it tries to make shapes out of anything in the dark. Microsoft has a whole demo demonstrating why it's not reliable in the dark. I didn't shiver. I'm going to start limiting chat. Well, it doesn't matter. I won't be doing this on Periscope much longer. Look, screen burn. You can actually read Birmingham City Schools burned in. Get out of there? Just got here. Why would you want me to get out of here? this is? Vomit control? Santa Claus costume. Oh look, pumpkins, watch this. I wonder what that is in the bag. Those are nice. Anyway. That wasn't here last week. There was no hole busted in here last week. Let's check her out. This is where we heard the shootings, back here. Yeah. Yeah, this is inside the back of the school. We were on the other side, remember? Yeah, last week when there was like 6 cops cars surrounding the area. Because I kind of got offered to do a TV show called Alone in the Dark, where I go to the world's scariest places all by myself. Like like the world's scariest places. And because nobody goes by themselves. So they put a camera on my head, and then I get to go and okay. Bye. Yeah, I'm by myself now. I'm always by myself. But none of that's been arranged yet. It's still in preliminary talks, kind of. They contacted me. Yeah. Because that's kind of like, that's why I go by myself, because that's like everybody's fear, being alone somewhere. You don't know where you are. You don't, and it's supposedly haunted, and all you got your flashlight. Isn't that awesome? I mean, that's like my dream to come true. Thank you. I know. But you know what? Let me tell you something. Right now, I don't take stuff because that's a bad rep to get once you take stuff. You know, there's no way you'll ever convince somebody you didn't take something. Look at this nice VCR. Super VHS. VHS DVD recorder. I have a lot of VHS tapes. Old VHS tapes I would love to play. I mean, those would go like hotcakes on eBay. Wonder what's in here. Headphones. Exactly. And here's a nice flat CRT. You can't get into the gym of the school here because they have it welded shut. I only go in where there's an open door. Otherwise, I'm not going to break in. And that's why that would... Look at this. Oh. Take a look. I read the greatest book. And it gives the book she read. Take a look. I read the greatest book. Happy Birthday to You by Dr. Seuss. Oh, to think you think about Dr. Seuss. By the city. Because let me show you something. I wouldn't have come in here had I not seen the door open. Let me show you something. If it wasn't for vandals before me, I wouldn't come in here. Of course I'm alone. Look at this. Oh my God, just think, look at all these spider webs. Just think, somebody set this drink down before they left the school. And now it's like, huh. Oh, we didn't go in here last time. Look, some animals have been here stealing copper. Look at all the server equipment. Look, here's a hard drive, an old parallel ATA hard drive. So let me show you what they do to protect this school, which is why I wouldn't come in if the door wasn't already open. Somebody diffused it. Get out of here? Let me show you this. Security camera for monitoring the surveillance. Somebody cut the category 5 cables so that they could watch it. Yeah, they watch this place. This looks like a nice little bar you would have at your house. And see, here's another one. See, somebody unplugged it and then cut the category 5 cables that connect it to where they can surveillance it. And this door's open too, and it wasn't open last time I was here. So somebody's been in here since I went. Yeah, but look, there's no graffiti anywhere. None. I mean, all those TVs are still here. I guess they're probably too heavy to take out. I mean, that's a nice smart laser printer. Look at all these nice laser printers. Why wouldn't somebody scamp off with these? Let's just sit here in the dark for a minute and see what we can see. I can't tell you that because then somebody will come and destroy it. And I don't want to ruin it. Your daughter went here? Last week, in my scope, at the very end you'll hear a real loud shooting. Where the hell's my flashlight? It's too dark. I've never seen Rob spelled like that. Rob, you here with me? God, I'm trying to think. I used to love Caraway till they trashed it. I don't know. God, I swear there were so many. Oh, I loved spending the night in Sloss Furnace. It was fun. By myself, that was fun. I'm trying to think. Senior Home was pretty fun because that thing kept attacking. Kept saying the door opened. Has to be the senior door because the door opened. Senior Home. The door opened by itself. The Darish House, though, is a public house. And you have to set up tours. I don't go to places like, except for Schloss, I don't like going to places where I have to set up tours because then they watch and monitor you. And I'd like to go on my own. You know? Oh, were you back there in June when I went there and spent the night? That church, I do need to go. That church was fun. Oh, Brett, there's too many people there now. And it's you know, like that school I found earlier this week, it's like a time capsule. That's what I love about it. I love places that haven't been touched. It's like they walked off yesterday. No, the other one. It says it's only a few down. It's the one with the huge choir loft. Do you remember that one? I love that one. I just don't see why there would be hardly. I understand why it doesn't blab a lot because there's really nothing to say in here. I mean, if you think about it, except for Dora, I love that church. Except for falling through the floor. That wasn't Mark. Did you check out my Twitter and see that thing in the middle of the hallway at the old school that I was at the other day? Funeral. Exactly the same time it said funeral. This one's going on. Do you want me to turn off the light? Do you want me to turn off the light? Okay. It's okay. Nothing's bad's gonna happen. No, you're not. You're fine. You're doing good. I'm sorry, we'll go to mud school tomorrow night. It's just 45 minutes away from here. And I figured I'd give it a day away. Alright guys, let's get out of here before the storm hits. Thanks for coming with me. I'm sorry I'm tired, a little bit irritable. It's just interesting to see that oh, I also like the abandoned girls' jail. That was fun. Because I was able to lock myself into the cell. Yeah, it's on there. It's called Bad Girls School. It's where the girls who were deranged were sent. I know. That was actually at this senior home where Chris got scratched. When he watched the scope and it kept saying unholy and why is that door open? Here's a storm coming. Just walk out. This guy's weird. See lightning? It's not going. Going, there's no place, no way to get in. This is, I'll let y'all have a little clue since I'm leaving. Y'all don't come tear this crap up, okay? I better not say, because then the police might say, well, if it wasn't for you saying the name, everybody would get all mad. All that stuff wouldn't be stolen. Don't tell, okay, I won't. Well, it'd be pretty easy to look at my GPS and figure it out. Alright, sorry for scoping so late. Sorry if I woke anybody up. I'll give you a hint. Okay, has the word. I gave you a hint over there. We'll go back in and I'll show you another hint. Whoa, that lightning's awesome. We gotta go down to that other school. Because that's where we saw that thing in the hallway. I'll let you figure it out. I'm gonna give you a little hint where this is, okay? I bet you'll be able to guess it, no problem. See that? Can you see the word up there? Close. It's something Arthur. Okay, let's go back to Inslee High while we got this bad weather. It'll be our window to get in. Yeah. Here comes summer, we'll go tornado chasing. I love it. In April we get so many tornadoes. I know, I want to go. Search Birmingham for the name of a school with Arthur in it, and you'll figure it out. Why does everybody say y'all? It's just me. And I just went inside. Where's my mom? Oh wow, look at that lightning. Sit here and look at the lightning for a second. Oh wow. Me too. I live on top of the mountain, so in Bluff Park, so you can see, if when I'm up at home, you can just look out over the mountain and just see everything. I'm so tired. That's a good one. Is it? I'm gonna go to Vulcan and see if I can't. Yeah, I do live by Lover Leap. You're right. Right on Lover's Leap. Okay. Absolutely. I want to go. I can't wait to be in a place where there's a lot of lightning storm and ghosts. Thank you. I am very sleepy. It's been a long day. No, nobody died anywhere in here. Oh, I'll run up there because I'm gonna go home. And I'll do some lightning shots from up there. Thanks for coming, everybody. Oh, somebody coming down here. Watch out, I might get shot. This happens all the time. Y'all have no idea how many times I'm out by myself and a car runs up. No. Yeah, people just come. Okay. Good night, God bless. Yeah, oh, that was a good one. I gotta go home so we can look from the top line. Thanks, guys. Thank you, love. Have I told you I love you today? I do.